Hello, my name is Emma. I am a student. I wake up at 7 o'clock and take a shower. Then, I get dressed. At 7:30, I have breakfast. After breakfast, I brush my teeth. I go to school at 8. We study for 2 hours, and then we have a break. I finish school at 3 p.m. In the afternoon, I do my homework and speak to my friends. Sometimes we play video games together. I have dinner at 6:30. After dinner, I watch TV or read a book. On Tuesday evenings, I play tennis. I go to bed at 10:30.